Hey guys, I am Lisa. Welcome to my channel. Right now in Bhubaneswar it is 37 degrees and it is extremely hot in here. We are officially in summer. So today I have a face wash from Wow Skincare to share. I have been trying this face wash for a while now. So this is an apple cider vinegar foaming face wash with built-in silicone brush for deep cleansing. It has organic Himalayan apple cider vinegar, aloe vera extract and vitamin B5 and E. It is suitable for oily and combination skin type and is amazing for acne prone skin. The face wash looks like this. Pretty interesting, right? Now this face wash is meant for deep cleansing of our skin, helps purify pores and control blackheads. Now this one has no paraben, no sulfate, no silicone whatsoever. The ingredient list is pretty clean and very small. As I have already mentioned, it has apple cider vinegar, aloe vera extract, vitamin B5 and vitamin E. It does have fragrance in it, but it is at the very bottom, so it doesn't bother at all. Now this face wash is a foaming face wash. It has a barcode here that you can scan and verify the authenticity of this product. You can buy this face wash of course from Wow's official website. You can also get this product on Flipkart, Nykaa, Amazon as well. It is retailing for rupees 399 and I will put all the details and buying links in my description box. Do not forget to check them out. Now if you have never used apple cider vinegar in your skincare before, let me just tell you guys, apple cider vinegar is supposed to have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that can really help control the spread of bacteria on our skin that actually causes acne. It also regulates the pH level of our skin. So as an ingredient, apple cider vinegar is really very nice for anyone with oily skin type and acne prone skin type. So a silicone brush right here is what interests me a lot, you guys. It has a cover that goes on top of this brush that I really appreciate. It protects the brush itself when we are not using it. It helps prevent any damage to the brush or any dust settling on the brush. But however, I will strongly suggest to keep this face wash in a closet where you keep all of your skincare products, not in the bathroom or near the sink, to avoid any kind of contamination or any kind of infection. So the face wash comes out of the brush here in a foamy texture. I just wet my face a little bit and then directly apply the face wash to my face and do tiny circular motions on my face. Be very gentle, do not apply way too much pressure to remove your makeup or product. Just keep making circular motions all of your face. Eventually all the products or makeup will just come off. The brush is extremely soft and gentle on my face. I massage my face with the brush around 40 to 50 seconds to remove the makeup. As you can see the brush here, it has removed all of my makeup so efficiently. It is really weirdly satisfying to see your skin getting all cleaned up. I really like this brush and it actually does a great job. Just see how this face wash has cleaned up my skin. It has removed all the makeup, all the dirt, all the pollutants, everything from my pores. I don't even have to double cleanse my skin. You can also remove this brush and clean it whenever you need. I clean it with this face wash only. I honestly enjoyed using this product. This is very nice face wash. It is extremely gentle on my skin. It cleanses out my pore very nicely. It deep cleanses my skin. It cleans out my pore and at the same time it does not dry my skin, that I really appreciate. I do want my face wash not to dry my skin. It removes dead skin cell from our skin and it exfoliates my skin. I use this face wash only once a day at my nighttime skincare routine. I will suggest that because it is exfoliating our skin, and over exfoliation is not good for our skin. So I will strongly suggest using it once a day. It is extremely gentle on my skin. It does not cause any kind of rashes or redness or any kind of tiny bumps, pimples on my skin. So I think it will be okay for a sensitive skin as well, but however you have to patch test before using it if you have sensitive skin. I have an extremely oily, acne prone skin, and this is perfect for my skin for this summer weather because it does control the oil production on my skin as well. So this is all for today, you guys. I hope you are staying safe. I will catch you guys next week with something new. Until then, take care, stay safe. Bye bye.